Hi, my name is Richard and I'm in business development with the Crosby Group. Safety, reliability and innovation are cornerstones for the Crosby Group. And today we have a very innovative product from Gunnebo Industries, the MGD component. Available in sizes from 6 to 16 mm alloy chain, the MGD combines a master link, shortening hook and coupling link all in one component. The shortening pocket has cradle lugs on both sides, so the full working load limit of the chain is maintained. Furthermore, it is foolproof to use, and the eye of the master link also has a flattened section to accommodate for a wire rope thimble or to be connected to a Gunnebo CL component. All in all, the MGD reduces cost, lowers inspection time and makes the lifting more efficient. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.